Oh my fucking, are you fucking, oh. Now I'm uncomfortable as shit. I'm going with a tape shape, what is it called? Shape tape. I'm just gonna put on my, actually I should probably do my eyebrows first. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow. I'm gonna make this into like a lighter brow. I feel like today's just not working out. Like, nothing's working out. Maybe I need to tweeze my eyebrows. Maybe that's the problem. And then I go in with the Brow Wiz and I sharpen up the lines. I'm taking my concealer brush and I put some of the shape tape on the back of my hand, and I'm going to carve out my brow now. I want to apologize in advance if I'm speaking really low. I don't have a very high voice or like loud voice when I first wake up, you know, because I'm tired. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some powder to set it up, and then after this I'm gonna go in with a darker color and put it in the crease. See that bump on my head? Yeah, that one. That's not a bump from me hitting my head. A bug decided to bite me when I was sleeping. Just thought you should know. To make it look like I have a little bit of a definition in my eye, I'm taking the Morphe 12NB and I'm gonna go in with this color right in the middle. And I'm just gonna stick it right in the crease. Okay, I don't think anything came up. So for this fall quarter of 2018, I'm taking math and Spanish. I'm taking Spanish with my little sister, and then I'm taking English. So I have 3 classes. I wanted to take 4. I wanted to take biology, but I guess 4 would have been a little bit too much. So I'm just doing 3. Yep, that's how that cookie crumbles. I'm going to take a black color eyeshadow. It doesn't matter which one you use as long as it's black. I don't even have much on my brush because I don't want to make it too harsh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this color because I want it to look like a wing. So I kind of just, it's kind of hard to explain. I hold my brush very lightly. I feather it over the tape so it gets that sharp point, but I don't want it to be, and I also bring it in where eyeliner would be on the lash line. You can use a smaller brush for this, but this is all I have and I fucked up already. Maybe I'll use a small brush. Okay, so honestly it's not what I wanted it to be, but I'm not gonna get mad over it because it could look good anyway. I'm going with black and I'm gonna go a little bit closer to the inner corner with this shadow so it doesn't just stop halfway in my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna do my foundation, contour, and everything, and then afterwards I'm going to put lashes on. So I'm gonna leave the worst part for last. For my foundation today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Double Duty Beauty. This is a hydrating foundation, and it's my favorite. Okay, if I knew where it was, I'd use it, but I don't know where my Murad Invisablur is. So I'm not gonna use primer today. So first I'm taking the foundation and we're gonna buff it into the skin using a brush, and then afterwards I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender and make sure that there are no lines going on. So when I apply foundation with my brush, I avoid my nose because that is where I flake the most and I don't want to bring up any of that flakiness. So when I use the beauty blender, I will go ahead and bring some onto my nose with that. Setting this with the wonderful Laura Mercier powder. Maybe it was a bad idea to wear black today. Oh my fucking, are you fucking, oh! So I'm putting mascara on and then I'm going to do lashes. The mascara I use is the Maybelline Rocket Volume. And then I just use drugstore lashes because I don't have money, so yeah. I'm gonna go in with this shade. For my nose contour, I take the same brush and I just flatten it out a little bit and put it where I want it to go. And then I'll just blend it out like that. Not doing anything crazy. Just a quick nose job. Using the Mary Kay palette, I'm using the color Sunny Spice for my blush. Since it is fall, it is now a great time to start using blush. For my highlight, I'm using the Coolab Glow palette. I'm going to go in with this pink shade. I'm taking the Beauty Blender to do this. I'm going to go in on the top of my eyebrow. Inner corner. Really get it glowing in there. We don't want any monsters in there, so we lighten it up. Make sure everything is glowy. Okay, fuck my life. Since I am going to school, I don't want to do like a super dark lip liner or lipstick. So I'm going in with the nude. I'm putting Vaseline on first. Then lining my lips. This is the NYX lip liner in the color Natural. And then I'm just going in with this Palladio lipstick in the color Nude. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, go ahead and comment down below. Give me some criticism and let me know what I could do better next time. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today is going to be a shit show for me. So, goodbye.